Kasuhan na po na qualified human trafficking si Mayor Alice Go. This is a serious criminal offense, non-bailable po ito. Kaya ang burden of evidence required, napakataas. Proof reasonable. To indict Mayor Alice Go, there must be reasonable certainty of conviction. So ang crime na human trafficking, nakukumit if you recruit, transport, transfer persons for domestic employment, pero ang purpose mo talaga ay prostitution, sexual exploitation, slavery, forced labor. Tignan ninyo ang ebidensya against Mayor Alice Go. Papel, bill ng kuryente, letter of no objection, articles of incorporation. Itong mga dokumento na ito, hindi enough to commit the crime of human trafficking. There must be overt act. So itong kaso na ito, na final against her, mahina, with all due respect, mahina, medyo pilit ho talaga. In fact, pag binasa ninyo yung complaint, aminado ang CIDG at ang PAOK-CC that there is no direct evidence of human trafficking against Mayor Alice Go. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Sir, what's the reason today, sir?
Ano ginawa niyo, sir? Ano ginawa niyo?
Dito sa preliminary investigation, aminado sila, there is no direct evidence. Bill ng kuryente ang ebidensya, articles of incorporation, letter of no objection. Human trafficking na ba yun? Walang kinalaman si Mayor Alice Go. Pilit na pilit yung ebidensya.
Sir, did you file anything today?
July 22, 2 p.m.
Sir,
may file kayo?
22, 2 p.m. Magsa-file kami.
Punta po si Mayor.
Wala pa nag-file yung isa. July 22.